Hello, and welcome to our video on the Rubik's Cube. It's a puzzle that's fascinated people for decades. But have you ever wondered where it came from or how it works? Well, today we're going to take a closer look at this colorful conundrum and see if we can crack the code. The Rubik's Cube was invented in 1974 by Hungarian sculptor and professor of architecture, Rubik. At the time, Rubik was looking for a way to teach his students about three-dimensional geometry. But he never expected his invention to become a global sensation. It wasn't until 1980 when the Rubik's Cube was first marketed to the public, and it quickly became the must-have toy of the decade. The Rubik's Cube is made up of 9 square pieces on each side, and each one can rotate independently of the others. This means there are 4, 3, 2, 5, 2, 0, 0, 3, 2, 7, 4, 4, 8, 9, 8, 5, 6, 0, 0, 0 possible combinations, but only one correct solution. Don't worry, we won't be going through all of them today. Here are a few fun facts about the Rubik's Cube that might surprise you. It was once banned in the Soviet Union because it was seen as a symbol of capitalism. There's a world record for the fastest time solving a Rubik's Cube, and it currently stands at just over 4 seconds. Some people even solve Rubik's Cubes blindfolded. If you haven't already, give the Rubik's Cube a try. It might drive you crazy, but it's also a great way to exercise your brain and have fun at the same time. And with that, we'll bring the curtain down on our video on the Rubik's Cube. But the puzzle itself will keep on spinning. That's it for our video on the Rubik's Cube. We hope you had fun learning about the history and mechanics of this iconic puzzle and that you're now inspired to give it a try. Whether you're a seasoned solver or a newbie, the Rubik's Cube is a great way to exercise your brain and have fun at the same time. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and family. And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more interesting and fun videos like this one. Thanks for watching and happy solving!